All right, so there we go. There's my top, teased it. There's my sides. I'm gonna show you the back. Okay, I feel like it looks pretty good. Sometimes I might have to tease it right here because it could be a flat spot. Good morning. So I just want to say, so look at that nice big calic right here. I want to get a pick because I'm going to have to do that, or I'm going to probably blow dry. So this morning I started to think, how do I want my hair today? So I'm going to be on camera. So of course you got to figure out how do I want my hair to look. So I'm going to use Day Day. I really need a haircut, especially back here. So I got to really fix this bad calic because it always separates, and look at how bad it is. See, it's like a hole. And it's so strong. So I want my hair a little curly and loose and docile. So I sprayed this side already. Now I'm gonna spray this, and it reactivates the cream and the oil that I had put in there. But now I'm gonna scrunch it. So it really does set the hair. It kind of holds it better because you already had products in there. I love to reactivate old products because it comes out nicer. Okay. And now I'm gonna do the back too. I do underneath as well. You gotta get all of it. And because I want this little curl and flip to change, I really gotta re-wet it and make it do what I want. So Day Day is just leave-in vitamins. It's really good. It's super lightweight too. Okay, yeah, I like that little bit of loose, docile kind of, yeah, right here though, it's too straight. Scrunch it, grab it, and scrunch it. Now I'm going to do this side because I want the underneath as well a little curly, not just the top layer. But the good thing is this literally takes just 3 or 4 minutes, and then I'm probably just going to blow dry my top to really get that back. But I used the curling iron yesterday, and today when I took a shower I just put a cap on my hair, making sure it's all, yep, it's all good. It's going to dry really, really nice. Okay, good. So that's one thing. And now it's gonna fluff up too when it dries. I kind of redesigned it. That's what I did. Now I'm gonna take that nasty calic, now below the calic I'm gonna take first, and I'm gonna pull that hair up, and then I'm gonna roll it, and then roll it back. Now you can make it straighter, but I want it a little curly because I'm gonna have this a little curlier. Roll it up. Get behind there. All right, now I really want to set that to have volume. So you can see already that it's got some volume. Then I set up the next section. I'm going to lay it over it. Go behind it first. I'm going to pull it forward. And now, as I'm pulling it out, I'm going to push it back. Now, what does that cooling off do? So it's like a roller set. When you put rollers in your hair and then you let it set because they're really hot, and then they cool off, and then it kind of just makes it imprint. It makes it really stay well. And I just need to do this. See how it kind of has a little funny curl? Now my bang. I like to take a thick part of my bang. Bangs are back, just so you know. It's gonna be big this year. Bangs are trending. And I'm gonna pull them like kind of forward, opposite direction, and then I'm gonna move them under and back. I love what my granddaughter does. She goes, yeah, when she's excited. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, and I gave it a little bit of a hook so it's not in my eye. You know, that's where you could do if your hair is too long and you need it cut, but you need to like do something in between. You don't feel like cutting it. Flip it up, get that bend in there. See how it has a nice bend. It's not flat to my head. All right, I like it now. Everything is pretty good. Now that took literally 6 minutes. Now look at the back. Okay, so I know right here that was my problem. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna really tease it. Really, really tease it. And then you could just pick it a little bit. You know, I'll look at it after, but I kind of know, and I really care more about the front of my hair, just because I pretty much know how to tease it. You just kind of keep pushing the comb in there until it teases, but then you just pull it out a little, the tease. See, that's what it's supposed to look like if you want really big hair. And then you just take the outer pieces, and you lay it back so you still have the fullness there. And I could even take my part over like more, which I like this piece, right? For a little bit of a different look today. Yeah, I like that. All right, now I gotta do this part. This is gonna go back. The DA, remember the DA? And I'm gonna blend this with it. Yeah, that looks good. I'm a happy camper. And I'll show you what my hair looks like later after this side's dry. It's gonna be really nice and fluffy. And don't scrunch it too much. You wanna set it and forget it. Let it kind of dry out on its own. Then I'm gonna really get these bangs. This is great hairspray. And it's called the Perfect Hairspray by Voluminous. You could get it on my website. So it's Modern Techniques Salon.com. That's the website that you could get it on. And I'm just gonna do the top. I want my hair to stay all day, so I'm gonna really keep it strong. Good. All right, so there we go. There's my top, teased it. There's my sides. Let me show you the back. Okay, I feel like it looks pretty good. Sometimes I might have to tease it right here because it could be a flat spot. When I was little, my parents left me laying on the back of my head all the time. No, I'm kidding. It just is a flat spot on the back of my head. You might have one too. So just so you know, you got to tease that baby. Let's tease it a little bit more right there. And that's it. So I also want to let you know, I do hypnotherapy and I love it. It is definitely super awesome. It helps you get rid of blocks and trauma and scarcity and fear. We so live in fear all the time. And let me tell you, now I love the unknown. I used to hate the unknown. I thought the unknown is so scary. But because I got rid of all my blocks of all the fear and scarcity and things I used to live in and all that emotional baggage, it's gone. Hypnotherapy just takes it out so fast. And what is hypnotherapy? It's like really meditation. But we just give you specific questions. We talk to the subconscious mind because we use your conscious mind. You're fully awake all the time, just so you know. You're not like, you're just rested and relaxed, like as if you're in a yoga class. When you're in yoga, you're focused inward because you're breathing, you're relaxing. Your body usually lives in fight or flight, and that's what it knows how to do. So you have to learn to help you get into the conscious mind to relax all your muscles, all your tissues, all your organs, all your joints, everything. Because like even your shoulders could stay like this when you're tense or anxiety and stress, right? It's like we don't even realize that it's pressure or TMJ because of clenching down because of stress and anxiety or frustration. So I want to highly recommend hypnotherapy. 6 sessions, you are free, my friend. You get rid of all those blocks and things that are holding you back from your greater success, and it gets you rid of self-sabotage. I think the hardest person to lead is ourself, right? We self-sabotage so much. Why? Because of blocks that have been imprinted since we were a kid. Get them out. Let them go. You know, I feel like people think like it's just so hard and because they've been through so much trauma. Listen, I am living proof. I've been through major trauma. I wrote a book, Tragic Beginnings to Fairy Tale Endings. Dreams really do come true. It took me a long time to believe that. It took me a long time to understand. I could shift the mind. I could get rid of all that baggage. I could let go and empty that U-Haul truck so I have nothing in that U-Haul truck. And now I carry a backpack, nice and light and easy. Let me tell you, it makes such a difference to get rid of and unload that U-Haul truck of pain, fear, guilt, shame, regret. You know, those are emotions that are very strong. And anger. Anger is huge. Get rid of that anger. Let me tell you, it doesn't serve you ever. Bad and negative emotions never serve you. We want to put in joy, love, peace, kindness, and to relax, right? It's not always easy to relax. You have to learn to relax. But anyway, I do visualizations with you to visualize all the good things you want in your life. Like, it's really fun and it's really amazing and it really works. So if you want to learn how to do something a new way that's quicker, faster, more efficient and effective, hypnotherapy is it. So you could DM me. I think it's on, you could WhatsApp me too. I'm also on WhatsApp, and it's Kim Constantino. Or you could iMessage me. I guess that's called your DM. I'm just learning that. So you could DM me if you wanted to. Anyway, love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and keep watching until you master and you become a pro yourself. That little tips and tricks that make your hair so beautiful. You could do it. You got this. Coach Kimmy, have a great day.